Good morning, guys. I am up super early. I just got off of work. I am at Starbucks because I have got so much to do today. Hold on. Hi. I told you I was coming through the drive-thru. I didn't feel like standing right there. Okay. What's my total? Okay. Hold on. Here you go.
Did you want a stopper?
Who?
A stopper for your drink?
You mean like a cup holder? Oh, no. Thank you. Oh.
Put your small drink in a medium cup just so we can fit everything in there.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, guys, sorry about that. The lady at this Starbucks, she was kind of being rude to me, so that's why it kind of sounds like I was talking rude, but I wasn't talking rude to her, but she was kind of being mean to me. Like, I need to go over here to Five Below. I need to get some stuff from Five and Below. Just come along with me, because I'm just talking shit for no reason. Am I going the right way? Look at my pajama top. I got this last year at Target. It's a set. It comes with shorts. I don't like the shorts. And then I got another set, and it was only like $1.97 because this was like literally like 90% off after Christmas. I can't wait till after Christmas to go see what these stores got on sale. The only store I really want to go to is Bath and Body Works, really. I don't need any more clothes. Just to see what kind of sales they got going on. Yeah, Vlogmas is almost over because Christmas is tomorrow. I just came back from Walmart and Five and Below. I'm sorry I didn't vlog. It was super early. People were irritated that worked there. I just didn't want to put nobody's attitude on camera. Now look at the weather. OMG. Gonna go back to doing my own hair, which I like to do my own hair in the winter times. So I'm back to doing my own hair. But yeah, I'll chat more with you guys. Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? Y'all, if y'all wondering, ladies, this lip gloss, it's a plumper and it's got just a hint of color. It's through ColourPop. I've been having it for a while, but I don't know, for some reason it was in my purse because my Chanel had rubbed off, so I left my Chanel at home, so I just thought excuse me y'all, I got indigestion. Bring it back out. But bye Kelly. You too. And so
open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ho, 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 bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all.